What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change uniforms in Ultimate Team of Madden 26. If you wanna get new uniforms, here's how it works. First, head over to the marketplace and then select sets. Once you're in the sets section, you can search for uniforms. You'll see two different uniform sets available, the base light uniform set and the base dark uniform set. When you open one of these sets, you'll notice you just need to exchange 370 to 79 overall players to unlock a uniform of your choice. Add your items, complete the set, and the uniform gets added to your account immediately. Now if you want to actually equip your team with the uniform you just unlocked, go back to the Ultimate Team and open the Play tab. From there, go to Lineup and then move across to the Playbooks and Visual section. At the bottom, you'll see your light and dark uniform slots. Select either one and you'll get a full list of all the uniforms you currently own, including the ones you crafted from sets. Just pick the one you want, confirm it, and you're good to go. Once you select the uniform, the game updates it automatically with no extra steps needed. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.